Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for the smart. So, here in the theme store, we have beautiful themes, but now, as you can see, I'll show you, I have MIUI 13, and themes in the Xiaomi Galaxy Store Xiaomi theme store is not customized for this 13 MIUI version, and themes for Xiaomi 13 is not optimized. Okay, so I'll show you top best themes from the Play Store. So firstly, open the Play Store and find here theme on the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. Click install. Xiaomi Launcher is too heavy for Xiaomi system for Redmi 11 Pro device, but now I'll show you best launcher. Their launcher are light and not heavy for the system. So great. As you can see here, we have a really beautiful interface and very minimalistic. We have only 2 features here. So first feature is our alphabetical line to fastly finding the applications, for example Play Store. So Play Store has found it. And if you want to find any application using just normal search, you can do it. And of course here you have your favorite applications on the home screen, and great. So here here this launcher you can use very fast, because if you want to find any application fastly, you can do it, and you have no any features in icons, in widgets and others. But on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it and install. Click open. Get started. I agree. Confirm. Continue while using. Allow. Confirm. And great. As you can see here, we have a really beautiful interface. Our interface here is really beautiful. Here we have main menu with grouping features. So here we have contacts. So here you will have WhatsApp, Messenger, Signal and other applications to chat, to call. Here you will have all your surfing applications, games, media, utilities and settings. So this theme is very beautiful, and here you have really beautiful wallpaper gallery. For example, you can find any free wallpaper. If you will pay for Prime version of this launcher, all of these wallpapers could be live. And great. So on the third place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Find it, click install and wait a while. Click open, click get started while using the app, allow, continue, skip, okay, choose your favorite apps, click continue, let's go, and great. So here you have glance panel. In the glance panel you can set up your favorite widgets, and this is the best feature of this launcher. And one of the best features of this launcher is hidden apps, so you can hide unused applications you can't remove from your device. For example, Me, Remote, Themes, Store, Weather, Share Me, I don't know, Me Video, Music, Netflix, if you don't watch videos, and series on your smartphone. And why I love this launcher, because here we have gestures and we can set up opening any application using the gestures. For example, I want to open I don't know, file manager, you need to swipe from down to up, and in this way file manager will be opened. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.